Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Solid shapes. You start studying the solid shapes, cubes, cuboids, all those things at class 6-7 level. And what is the level to which the topic continues? I don't think it ends anywhere. Even if you pick up the class 9th book, class 10th book, you find the topic of surface area and volumes, that means mensuration of solid shapes. And that is why it becomes so important to have a very strong grasp of this particular topic. So let's see what miscellaneous problems we have of solid shapes. We are going to take up some mixed problems which often you study at school level and then apply it at the professional level also. The first question which I am going to take up is to count the number of cubes in a given shape. So see, these are three-dimensional arrangements and you need to visualize them in your mind, make a map or a picture of this in your mind as to how this particular solid is obtained by placing cubes adjacent to one another, one above the other, and stacking them together like this. So let's see how many cubes are there in this particular shape. So just forget this cube. If you have two cubes here on top and there's one here also, so at the bottom row, this row, you have 3 cubes. In this row, you have only 2 cubes. So 3 plus 2, these are stacked over one another, 3 plus 2, and this one extra cube is added here. So in all, you have 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6 cubes in the figure. Likewise, here we have another figure in which there is a row here containing 1, 2, 3 cubes, and then if you come towards like if it is protruding out this part, then this is already counted 1 and 2. These two are placed in the front like this, and then adjacent to this you have this one, so 1 cube here, and in this row which is already counted, you have 1 and 2 here, and then in this row you have 1, 2 more here. And now whatever numbers I have written here, we can just add them. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 here, 2 here, 1 here, then 2 here and 2 here. How many are there total? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in all, there are 10 cubes in this particular figure. This is how you count and visualize the shape in your mind. Let's see some more questions which are like statement problems of placing the cubes adjacently or one above the other. If 3 cubes are placed side by side, now this is important. How you are placing the cubes side by side? I'll draw a figure here to illustrate that. See this figure. Here we have a cuboid being formed using 3 cubes. So I am dividing this into some parts so that you can visualize it nicely. Now watch this. Can you see 1, 2 and 3 cubes which are placed side by side, and we get a big cuboid. The length, breadth and height equal to 3 centimeter. So everywhere it is 3. Here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 3. The breadth is 3, the height is 3. Everywhere it is 3. So what will be the length, breadth and height of the cuboid? The length obviously is going to change because you are placing them adjacently. So the length will be 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 9 centimeter. But look at the breadth of the cuboid and look at the height. It is same as the breadth and height of the cube, and therefore the breadth remains 3 centimeter and the height also remains as 3 centimeters. So only the length changes when you place cubes side by side. Likewise, we have another question here in which there is a cuboid. Let's draw a cuboid. This is a rectangle. Within that rectangle, I draw another rectangle like this, and then you join end to end. This becomes a cuboid. Now, the length is given as 24, the breadth is given as 8, so this is 8, and the height is given as 5. Now, there's one very important concept here. Along which line we are cutting this. So it is being cut into smaller cuboids. See the length, it remains the same. This is the same. Breadth changes. The breadth was 8 and now it changes to 1 centimeter. And then the height, it doesn't change. So the length and the height doesn't change. The breadth becomes 1 centimeter. So how many cuboids will you obtain? Number of cuboids. That's a very simple concept. Just take the original breadth of the cuboid, that is 8, and divide it by the new breadth, that is 1. So you will get 8 cuboids of this measurement if you cut it along the breadth. Now these are some very important questions which will develop a thorough understanding of the topic, and I'm sure the worksheet, the detailed worksheet of this topic is going to help you further. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon to get all the notifications. Thanks for watching this and all the best.